It was a terrifying morning for motorists on EastLink after dangerous debris triggered a truck rollover that injured a driver. Madeline Slattery's at Maroondah Hospital this evening. Maddie, what's his condition?
Well, Pete, this man is aged in his 50s. He's currently here in hospital in a stable condition, suffering injuries to his back. But it was certainly a very scary morning for this man. He was travelling along the EastLink around 7 o'clock this morning. At the same time, a truck had left Canterbury Road. It was carrying a trailer behind it, which had a digger inside that trailer. Somehow, that digger has fallen off and it's landed in one of the middle lanes. Cars had to try and dodge that device, but then it was this man's vehicle that slammed into it. It caused his car to spin out of control. Sparks were flying and ultimately he has ended up in hospital. The whole scene also caused quite a large ditch in the road to form, so repair work had to begin on that all during the morning peak, so traffic was banked up for quite some way. The lane has now been fixed, but exactly why this happened and what caused it, well, that is now all part of a police investigation. Pete?
A truck carrying a digger on its trailer caused chaos on EastLink during the morning peak. The digger's bucket rolled into the middle of traffic. Cars were forced to dodge around it, but one driver wasn't so lucky and hit the bucket before rolling. The motorist was taken to hospital. Traffic banked back for 5 kilometres while crews cleared the scene.